We're in Houston today. There's a neighborhood where we plan on working where 800 homes have been flooded. No one else is there to help them. So we're teaming up with MercyWorks and YWAM Houston to help rebuild these people's homes. Almost all their homes have already been gutted, which is amazing. Neighbors are helping neighbors. Like I said, no one else is helping there except for neighbor helping neighbor. So we're wanting to find 800 churches or families or businesses or other ministries who would adopt a family and take on the rebuilding of their home. Most of these homes aren't completely needing rebuilding. It's just sometimes 2, 3, 4 feet that has already been gutted, and that portion of their home needs rebuilt. And these people need some ministry. They've been through a lot. A lot of them have lost all their furniture, all their flooring. Thankfully, no one in this neighborhood lost their lives that we know of, but they've lost a lot of possessions. And it's time to come and love on these people of Houston. And we're blessed to be a blessing. So I just want to challenge you today. Would your church or your family, your ministry, your business be one of those 800 that would take on and adopt a family in the Lakewood neighborhood of Houston? Thank you, and God bless you.